This is Chris, and what we're looking at here is black landscape mulch. Black landscape mulch is just white wood, fir wood, that's been painted or dyed black. It arrives you looking really black, and then after time, it's not so black. In this case, it's more silver black. We're also looking here is WEED fabric. WEED fabric is one of these things that you're sold or told to use in order to make the rock yard more money. And they usually sell you the lowest quality, worst WEED fabric there is. And you don't put WEED fabric down if you're going to put wood mulch down. Because wood mulch, especially anything that's colored, is made of fir. And fir breaks down and decomposes very quickly. So when it breaks down and decomposes, all you're left with is a thin layer of mulch and lots of WEED fabric. So we have this really beautiful WEED fabric landscape over here. And you can see how highly effective it is at keeping the weeds from growing up. And you can see that the dye disappears from the wood over time. See, the closer we get to the lawn watering area, we see that the paint is really faded off of it. Lawn watering, and probably fertilizer also. Fertilizer will probably play a role in this too, because the fertilizer is going to feed the bacteria, and the bacteria is going to cause the mulch to break down more quickly. So we have a beautiful WEED fabric, low quality mulch landscape. How could this have been avoided? By using no WEED fabric and using cedar mulch, which will not break down, and putting about 4 to 6 inches of it. You can use decorative painted mulches, just don't use the WEED fabric, and know that you're going to have to replace it in a couple of years. So you don't have this. And need to redo it again. Now you got to tear out all the WEED fabric, or you need to come in here with another 6 inches of mulch.